Hello guys, welcome again. So today we'll be doing laws of exponents. Today we'll be doing laws of exponents. So the first law, which is law number 1, going to have a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n. So according to this law, this is going to be equals to a to the power of m plus n. So what this basically means, it means that if we're multiplying the exponents with the same basis, we add their exponents. So when we're multiplying the same basis, we actually add their exponents. So to further explain this, or actually let's look at an example. Let's call it example number 1. Okay, let's take, we have 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 1. So according to this law, we're going to have 2 to the power 3 plus 1, which is equals to 2 to the power 4. So now let's look at law number 2. So what basically law number 2 says is that if we have a to the power m all multiplied by the n over there, we're going to have a is equals to a m a. So what we do here is just to basically multiply out m and a to have product to the exponent of a m n. So let's have an example to further understand what we are talking about. Let's call this example 2, and then let's take, we have 2 to the power 3 close bracket raised to the power 2. So this is gonna be equals to 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2. So with this, we're going to have a 2 is equals to 2 to the power of 6. So this is the second law. So now let's have the third law. So the third law, we're going to have a multiplied by b close bracket all raised to the power of n. So according to this law, we're going to have that a is equals to a to the power of n multiplied by b to the power of n. So basically what we do here is just to multiply or distribute a n to a and b. So let's have an example, and let's call this example number 3. So we're going to have 2 multiplied by a 3 to the power of 2. This is going to be equals to 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2. So this is what this law actually basically means. It means that whatever number it's been raised, we're going to multiply it amongst the bases in the brackets. So to further expand this, we're going to have 4, 9, and 4 times 9 is equals to 36. So that's it for this law. Now law number 4, it's actually not that hard to actually grasp. Here let's take, we have a to the power of 0. Our answer it's gonna be 1. So with this law, it's actually meaning that each and every base raised to the power of 0 is going to be equals to 1. Now let's have an example. Let's call this example number 4. Now let's have 2 to the power of 0. This is the same as equating it to 1. Now here let's have law number 5. So let's have 1 over a. Now there is another way to express this in a form of an exponent. So this is going to be equals to a over to the power of negative 1. Now let's have an example. Let's call this example number 5. So let's take, we have 2, okay, and then let's say 1 over 2. So this is the same as saying 2 to the power negative 1. So this is going to be the end of this video. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And so this is actually, it's gonna motivate me to create more content about mathematics. As you know, it's a subject that is troublesome, so let's enjoy studying this subject, guys, and making it easier so that we can enjoy it. Please give us, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and actually share it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.